Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to turn notes into tasks with Notion AI. So let's get started. First, gather your meeting notes. You can use a Google Doc, loose bullet points, a transcript, a napkin from lunch, or even a Zoom summary. Then, copy your notes and paste them into Notion AI. After that, use Notion AI to clean up your notes. Then, submit the prompt and wait for the AI to process your notes. After that, review the generated summary, action items, decisions, and questions. Over here, check everything for accuracy and adjust anything that requires human judgment. Then, copy the tasks, summaries, action items, decisions, and questions. Then, use the generated task list to save time, reduce miscommunication, and keep track of who is responsible for each task. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.